What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Roy's Customs. Just thought I'd do a quick little update for you and let's see what all is going on with the golf project. As you can see, I did get it all back together. Got it setting on the ground. It's running at about it's like 25.5 inches to the top of the fender, which is okay by me. It looks really good in the front. I still need to get the suspension on the back. I got my new headlights in, got my new grill on, kind of like that. Once I get the car painted, then it'll make more sense. And I still need to adjust everything too, because that doesn't line up very well. But anyways, I did go ahead and put it back together. And I ordered a new latch because my latch isn't working right. I don't know what's going on with that. But anyways, I did make a little mount for my air filter. So I may have to do something else. I may make a whole new one, or I may work with that one somehow. Anyways, because it does still flop a little, but I'm okay with that for now. I need to get a new battery still. I'm still going to need a new alternator. I did get windshield wiper blades though, so I do have new windshield wiper blades. Anyways, I still need to take care of the cowl cover, and the wiper arms still need to be repainted. But anyways, even though it is back together right now, it's still going to have to come back apart again to do the body work and stuff. Because as you can see, there's stuff that's going to need done. I got dent in this door right here. There's a little bit of work on the hood that needs done. Got a little work back here needs done. Knock that out, smooth that out. There's some work here that needs done by the gas tank door, and a little bit down there. There's gonna be some work that needs done in here. You can see it's pretty messed up. I'll have to pull that out. And then up here as well, it's needing to be taken care of, so I'll take care of that. And there's a little bit of a spot here in this, and I might be able to just do a little bit of filler, like a really thin layer, and kind of smooth that back out. And then there's one more dent right there that needs to come out. So there's really not a whole lot that actually needs done as far as body work goes. Just knocking out what little dents and stuff and smoothing it out, and then primering it, which I did go ahead and I ordered my can of primer. So I do have that coming. It should be here this week. But anyways, just want to do a quick little update so you kind of see what is going on. And of course, that hood latch will be in sometime this week too, so I'll try that. And if that don't work, then maybe I'll try a whole new core support, and then go ahead and work with that, because I really don't know what's going on. I don't know why it's not latching. I do know it's a little floppy and it's messed up a little bit, but anyways, alright guys and gals, that's going to be it for this little update. Like I say, just a little bit of body work to do, not a whole lot. I do got my primer coming, and so I did get pretty much everything under the hood done except for the alternator and the new battery, which I'll get that in due time. And so actually the cowl cover and the wiper arms can just kind of wait until I start doing the body work, which will be pretty soon. It's just I need to get it out of here, and I'll be doing the body work like pretty much outside as long as the weather is good. So anyways, yeah, sure appreciate you guys watching, and feel free to like and subscribe if you wish. Hit the notifications, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.